Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Slingshots is probably one of the most underrated tools for adults. They offer a unique blend of fun, skill building, and practical utility. Whether you're a seasoned outdoorsman, a target shooting enthusiast, or simply looking for a new hobby, the world of adult slingshots has something to offer. Join me as we explore the best options available, considering factors like power, accuracy, and build quality to help you find the perfect slingshot for your needs. Number 5. Beeman Marksman Laserhawk Folding Slingshot, Black. This is the Beeman Marksman Laserhawk Slingshot. It features a durable surgical tubing band for powerful shots. Imported and built for performance, it's designed for accuracy and ease of use. The slingshot has a tempered steel yoke, ensuring maximum strength and durability. This robust construction allows it to withstand repeated use, shot after shot. It's a reliable tool for any enthusiast. The hinged arm support folds for easy storage and portability. This feature makes it simple to carry around. It's perfect for taking with you on any adventure. The black, high-impact plastic finger groove handle provides a solid and comfortable grip. This design ensures you have excellent control. It allows for more accurate shots. This slingshot is designed to shoot both 1/4 and 3/8-inch steel shot. It offers flexibility in ammunition choice. It's ready for various shooting activities. Need a replacement band? The part number is 3330. This makes it simple to maintain and keep the slingshot in top condition. It ensures the product's longevity. What we like. This slingshot features durable surgical tubing, ensuring longevity and consistent performance. The tempered steel yoke adds maximum strength, making it reliable for repeated use. If you're looking for a slingshot that combines durability with a compact design for easy storage, you should consider this one. What people say. It's easy enough to shoot, and I ran a range for teaching beginners all day on a Saturday without too much fatigue, thanks to the wrist brace. The arm support helps your wrist and you can aim longer. The folding aspect is perfect for storing. I had a fixed arm brace and it was a pain to store. Number 4. Daisy P51 Slingshot. Introducing the Daisy P51 Slingshot. This is a great tool for target practice and outdoor fun. It's a reliable choice for anyone looking for a classic slingshot experience. This slingshot is designed for precision. The caliber ensures accurate shots every time. It's built to provide consistent performance. Rest assured with the 1-year limited warranty. This covers any manufacturing defects. It's a testament to the product's quality and durability. The Daisy P51 comes equipped with a wrist brace, ammo, and band. This provides added stability and convenience. You'll have everything you need to start shooting right away. Get ready for some fun with the Daisy P51 Slingshot. It's a great choice for outdoor adventures. Grab yours today and experience the thrill. What we like. This slingshot includes a wrist brace for added stability and accuracy. It also comes with ammo, so you can start shooting right away. If you're a beginner or someone who values convenience and ready-to-use equipment, this is a great choice. What people say. Great buy. Very powerful and rips right through cans. Easy to aim, great accuracy, and great durability. The arm brace and grip offer support for the heavy pullback. The build quality is impressive, with a sturdy frame and comfortable grip that makes it easy to handle. The elastic bands provide great power and accuracy, allowing for impressive distance with every shot. Super resistant, práctico de usar, tres repuestos. Number 3. Barnett Cobra Slingshot with Stabilizer and Brace. This slingshot is perfect for beginners and young enthusiasts. It comes with a wrist brace, target ammo, and a guide to get you started. It's a great way to learn the basics of slingshot shooting. The Cobra's front stabilizer and sight system help you stay on target. The design and Magnum power bands ensure shots land with precision and power. You'll be amazed at the accuracy. The soft-touch contoured grip and wrist brace make this slingshot comfortable and safe to use. It's designed with youth in mind, providing a secure and enjoyable experience. This makes it a great choice for everyone. The system includes the slingshot, a contoured soft-touch grip, a wrist brace, an instructional shooting guide, and target ammo. It comes in a stylish gray and black color combination. Everything you need is included. Barnett has been a trusted name in outdoor products for decades. The Cobra slingshot has revolutionized the design with its unique features. It's a testament to Barnett's commitment to quality and innovation. The Cobra from Barnett has a unique combination of front stabilizer and sighting system. The Magnum power bands make it one of the most powerful slingshots available. It's a game-changer in slingshot technology. What we like. The Cobra slingshot boasts a front stabilizer and sight system for enhanced accuracy. Its Magnum power bands deliver impressive power with every shot. If you're looking for a slingshot that prioritizes precision and comfort, this is the one for you. What people say. The slingshot is well made and the band is strong. The accuracy is great and the power is impressive. The design is ergonomic and comfortable to hold for extended periods. Number 2. Umarex NXG-ST11 Compact Folding Slingshot. This slingshot features a compact folding wrist lock design, making it easy to carry in store. It's designed for convenience and portability, perfect for outdoor activities. The product is built with lightweight materials, ensuring it's easy to handle and use for extended periods. This feature enhances the overall user experience, making it comfortable to operate. It comes equipped with a genuine leather pouch, providing durability and a secure grip for your ammunition. This high-quality pouch ensures the longevity and reliability of the product. The design allows for easy carrying, so you can take it with you wherever you go. It's a great choice for anyone who enjoys outdoor adventures and recreational shooting. Please note that this product is only available for purchase in certain zip codes. Check the availability in your area before making a purchase to ensure you can enjoy this item. What we like. This slingshot features a compact folding design, making it highly portable. The lightweight construction ensures easy handling and maneuverability. If you value portability and ease of use, this is an excellent option for you. What people say. This slingshot, aka wrist rocket, works great. The tubing is nice and strong for a good pull. One broke and they sent me whole new slingshot. Big yes from me. The wrist brace makes aiming more accurate. Has helped me scare off a few varmints and has good range. The slingshot was a perfect fit to the task. A few laughs and giggles soon ended when, on first use, scared away the noise creatures and allowed an intimate exterior scene to be shot bird noise-free. Number 1. Slingshot Set for Adults, Stainless Steel Tactical. This metal slingshot is built to last, with a sturdy and rust-resistant design. It's small and easy to carry, and the ergonomic handle makes it comfortable to hold. It's suitable for both adults and children. The handle is designed to fit your hand perfectly, increasing both thickness and friction for a secure grip. This makes it more comfortable to hold and use for extended periods. It comes with strong replacement bands of different thicknesses. The stainless steel sights help with accurate aiming, perfect for both beginners and experienced users. You can enjoy shooting in various scenarios. It's great for attention training, entertainment, competitions, and even hunting. It's also a fantastic item to add to your collection. The kit includes everything you need to get started: a slingshot, targets, a magnetic ring, a pouch, ammo balls, and various rubber bands. This set has everything you need to start shooting right away. What we like. This slingshot features an ergonomic handle for a comfortable and secure grip. The stainless steel sights help with accurate aiming. If you're a beginner or someone who wants a complete kit with all the necessary accessories, this is the perfect choice. What people say. It feels very sturdy in the hand and the weight feels just right. It comes with a sight you have to attach and that thing is spot on for my shooting style. It has good power, was easy to put together, and is very accurate when shooting. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.